everybody, it's Joe from NC Piedmont Outdoors. Hope everyone's having off to a good new year. This is my first cooking video for 2024. So I'm out at my hunting property. I got to do a little bit of maintenance here and there, pick up some trail cameras, trim some branches, the usual kind of stuff. It's easier to do it now before spring when all the green comes back. So I'm just going to do that now. But while I'm out here, I'm going to do a nice cook. So I've got a Kirkman noodle kit with spicy sauce. This is spicy garlic sauce, so it's got rice noodles and a spice packet in there. To that, I'm going to add some chunk chicken breast. I've got some green pepper and onion I'm going to cut up. Got a little bit of oil to fry it in my Pathfinder skillet right here I'm going to use. I've got my Pathfinder canteen cook set with some water in there. And I've got my seatosummit 1 quart little pot here that I'm going to use to boil the water for the noodles. I've got my Gerber complete to help stir it, and I'm going to use to eat with later. I've got a little Playcom cutting board here that I have, and a little bit of salt and pepper. So I'm going to go ahead and get the stove set up, and then we'll bring you back and kind of show you putting this meal together. All right, everybody, so I got the stove lit. So the first thing I'm going to do is take apart this my seatosummit pot right here and get this set up. I don't need the cup or the bowls right now, so I'll just pull those out. Lock this. There we go. All right. Going to take my canteen out of my Pathfinder kit. And some water. All right, that should be enough. And then inside the kit, as I mentioned before, it's got just some rice noodles and this spice pack. So we're going to go ahead and get this water boiling. And then once that water boils, we'll go ahead and add these rice noodles. So let's put the lid on, get that water going. Got a nice blue flame going. I'm going to put down my valve. And in a few minutes, we'll have some boiling water and add those noodles. So let me bring you back when I'm going to do that. All right, looks like the water's boiling. And it is. I'm going to put this lid off to the side here. Take this pack of rice noodles. Open these up. I'll drop these right in here. There we go. And, I got a plastic bag over here for trash. Make sure it gets in the trash. Don't want to leave anything at the property. So that's supposed to go for about 4 minutes, I think. So we'll just go ahead and let that boil. I'll take apart my Gerber complete here. I'll use my spork, kind of break up those noodles. Turn that gas up. Make sure it's a good rolling boil. And while I was doing that, I cut up some green pepper and onion here. So what I'm going to do is cook the noodles. Then once they're cooked, I'm going to put them off to the side. And then I'll get my frying pan, add the oil, and kind of heat up the chicken with the green pepper and onion kind of separately. And then I'll add the spice packet to that and then pull the noodles in, kind of mix it all together, because that seems to make more sense to me. So this takes about 4 minutes. So once that's done, we'll drain the noodles off to the side, and then we'll get the chicken open and start cooking the rest of the meal. Stay tuned.
All right, everybody, just a quick word from some of the supporters of the channel. First Slammer Series turkey calls. They're made by a hunter for hunters. If you're looking for a new turkey call, visit www.slammerseries.com. Also, Aqua Leisure Services, LLC, serving the Rehoboth Beach, Delaware, and surrounding areas, meeting all your pool and spa needs. Signed Scientists, providing a broad range of services, including wall, murals, vehicle wraps, design, print, and marketing services. Regardless of your business requirements, their experts are up to the task. Visit www.sciendscientist.com or call 919-685-7641. Also, Tactical Creations. We're a small, personalized business that's here to help you personalize items to make the gift that you give that much more special. Visit www.tacticalcreation.com or call 770-548-2691. If you're interested in purchasing any NC Piedmont Outdoors apparel or Slammer Series apparel, visit our Teespring site. The link is in the description box.
All right, noodles have been boiling for 4 minutes. They're nice and they're soft now, so I'm just going to go ahead and drain this out over to the side over here. Now, normally if you were camping out of the woods, you probably wouldn't want to leave drained water or any kind of extra food laying around, obviously. Or, you know, sometimes I'll drain the chicken and put it over to the side, but I'm not going to be camping here. And after today, we won't be back for about another week or so, do some more stuff, so we're good to go for that. But normally if you're camping, you don't want to have food laying around your campsite. But for today, we're good to go. I'm just going to go ahead and dump out this water, and I'll be right back. All right, so I got the water dumped out and put that off to the side. So now I'm going to go ahead and get my Pathfinder skillet. Here on the gas, I'm going to add a little oil. There we go. I'm going to put in my, well, I'm going to wait for that oil to get hot. Then I'm going to add the chicken, green pepper, and onion. I'm going to go ahead and open up the chicken over here and drain out some of that liquid. And again, obviously, if you're camping, don't do this, but I'm fine doing it here, so I'm just going to go ahead and pop this lid and drain some water out and then bring it right back. All right, let's do a quick test. Well, all right, that green pepper's sizzling, so I'm going to go ahead and add the chicken. Just like this. All right. Make sure this gets in the trash. I'm going to go ahead and add the onion and green pepper. Right there. All right. Perfect. Put this in the trash. I'm going to add just a touch of black pepper. Going to add just a tiny bit, a little bit of salt, and again just a little, because there's enough salt in that chicken, canned chicken. So all right, I'm going to go ahead and let that cook. I'm going to break it up some more, put the lid on, get that going, and then once it's ready, I'm going to go ahead and cut that sauce packet open, drop it in there with the noodles, and mix it all together and kind of show you that final product. So just bear with me, guys, and we're going to have a great meal to show you. All right, everybody, let's check this out. Oh yeah, that's perfect. It's starting to stick a little bit to the bottom, so I'm going to turn this heat down. Put this lid off to the side. I'm going to grab my spicy sauce packet here, rip this open. Just going to pour that in here. We're going to get every drop of that out as much as we possibly can. There we go. Oh yeah. There we go. Turn this down. All right. I think we got about all we're going to get out of that. I'm going to go ahead and throw this in the trash bag. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my noodles and just kind of drop these right in. And we'll give this a good, give this a good mix. Turn this off the gas. Just give it a stir. Whew, the smell is just awesome. You can smell the onion, the pepper, and that nice spicy sauce we just added. Mix it all together. Wow. This looks and smells amazing. I mean, check that out. Check that out. So this is the Kikkoman noodle kit, spicy garlic flavor with, again, just some canned chicken, some green pepper and onion. Nothing here you couldn't take with you on the trail if you wanted to eat out in the woods. If you weren't with your truck or truck camping, this is certainly something you can carry with you if you wanted to eat out there and cook out in the woods. So another great meal. So I'm just going to let this heat for another few seconds. But I mean, it's done. It's ready, and I'm going to sit back and enjoy this for sure. So Well, thanks everybody for watching. If you like what you see, please go ahead and click that like and subscribe button. We're up to 308 subscribers. Thank you everyone in the community who's following me, watching me, and has selected to subscribe. Appreciate it. Please subscribe. We're trying to grow the channel. Thanks everybody for watching. I'm going to enjoy this meal. Get out there in the woods, have a good time, and we'll have another video for you soon. So thanks everybody.
Thanks for watching NC Piedmont Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures.